Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well, keeping yourself fit, fine, and healthy. Today, I am here to share one important information, which is a bit funny as well. This is about hiccups. Now, you all must be wondering how is this related to yoga or pranayama? But yes, it is. So, how hiccup starts? I'll just quickly read one paragraph, which is a bit, scientifically explanation of how hiccup starts. So, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, so the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen, and which plays a very important role in breathing. So each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cord. And when that happens, you can hear that sound hic. Okay, that is how hiccup starts. When hiccup starts, do you know? Do you know the answer? The first thing definitely is when you eat food a bit faster speed. See, we should chew our food for 32 times and then you should swallow. But I'm sure most of us are ignoring this fact. The second reason of these hiccups could be when you have too much addiction of drinking alcohol, and the third reason is mental stress. So, now how to stop this hiccup? Definitely not drinking too much water while having food, and definitely not eating too much sugar. This is also one of the solutions I have heard, that eat sugar and then hiccup will go. Now, how much sugar you are going to eat, isn't it? Or how much water you are going to drink while having food. So, this one solution is Anulom Vilom. How we are going to do that? Actually, I have another video of this, but I will demonstrate here. So, your right thumb on your right nostril, second, third finger in between your eyebrows, and left nostril inhale. Fourth and fifth finger on left nostril. And here you are going to hold your breath. Don't immediately do exhalation. Hold your breath for 1 or 2 seconds and then right nostril exhale. Again, right nostril inhale, holding breath for 1 or 2 seconds, and left nostril exhale. So do this for 3 times. If you feel still there is hiccup, do again 3 times, and definitely you will get rid of this hiccup. And please share this information if you know that someone has this hiccup problem. Please share this one. And another important thing is, if your hiccup is just going on, and if it is happening more than 1 hour, then please consult doctor. Okay, doing Anulom Vilom is absolutely okay, but still if it's not stopping and it's been 1 hour and more than that, please go to the doctor. So share this information to everyone. If anyone asks about hiccup, tell them do Anulom Vilom. This Kapalbhati and Ujjayi breath as well can be beneficial, but obviously while having food we cannot do that. And again, many people have blood pressure problems and all. So Anulom Vilom is the best way, very easiest way, and very simple technique, isn't it? So thank you so much everyone for listening this video, and share this information about hiccup to everyone. Thank you. Have a good day.